Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Janice. Question of the day: would you guys be interested in a bedroom makeover? If you are interested in that content at all whatsoever, comment down below and let me know. Also, that's my daughter back there. I will be going on a weight loss journey, and if you want to see that content as well, leave a comment down below. Let me know that you're interested, and I will be sure to make that video and put it out for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye guys.
Oh, nice.
Good morning.
So weird.
So, good morning. We are at Lowe's because we're getting ready to do our Backsplash, and we are going with Subway time. I picked out the one that I want. I'm gonna show you guys which one I'm gonna go with. Say good morning, Maddie.
My mask just looks so tiny.
Don't take it off. She is struggling with her mask.
Yeah.
Here, I'll do it.
It's heavy.
You're fine. You're fine. All done? Oh, that's 2 more boxes. I am the worst vlogger in the history of vlogging, okay? I left you guys at Lowe's. So, let me show you guys what we did end up getting for the Backsplash. We went with these towel. They're really chunky. They're really chunky. And for the edging, I went with the bullnose. These for the edge. And then I went with a gray grout, natural gray grout for, and I'm not using spacers because naturally these towel has spacers built in. So the nice little reveal that's there, that's what I'm using because I don't want it to be all in your face. I just want it to be subtle. And so far we have 1 row on, and we are back buttering the tile. So we're not putting, what is that thing called, on the wall. We're putting it on the towel and sticking it on there because we're just going to go at our own pace. I don't know who's at my front door, but I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the progress so far. I put a stick, but a little support here for the middle. We're going down 1 more row here for our stove because we're getting a backless stove. So we're gonna go down just to be safe, and we got lucky on this portion right here. We didn't have to make a cut, and then for here, we just put the towel up to here and cut out this piece and put it here because when we put the plate back, you can't see the cut right here. And this is how far we've got, and it's coming along nicely. Okay guys, so it's 10:28 at night, and we're still going strong. We're now on this section. We ran into some little intricate cut. I'm a hot mess. Look at that. It's dusty. Perfect. Good job, Rob. It fits good. And I will only do something once. My next house has to be decked out to the gods. Not doing this again. Would you do another, you would? Rob is up for the challenge. But me, I'm always up to do something once. Only once. But this little side, I'm going to show you guys this little side. Go pee-pee. You got to pee? Go to the potty. Go to the potty and get out of the dirt, baby. I'm going to show you guys the other side and what we're working on. And then I'll probably show you guys the rest tomorrow because I have to go concentrate on putting... Rob back butter the towel and I stick them on the wall. So, and I also help him cut and I measure because my measurement is just wacky. But anyways, I'm going to show you guys... Oh my gosh, my face is breaking out.
Was that fun?
Yep. As long as it push all the way in, you're good to go. Yeah. So this is what we're working on. I put up the bull nose. And we're all the way here. We just have this little tiny little slitter because I didn't want to cut inside the tile and then have to do this little cut right here up the wall. So I cut it off. And I'm just gonna do a little cut right here to fill out this space and then start a new tile. But we're under the sink and we completed this section right here. It's all done and ready for ground. Okay, so it's like 1 o'clock and look at that. I'm not done with the wall. It's about 75% of the tile is on the wall, but I'm tired and I ran into a little bit of problem. I don't know if I should put bullnose up alongside the window or I should just tile it and just leave it like raw and then kind of like put some board on, like a trim board on the window. I don't know yet. So instead of just, you know, going through it because I'm tired, I'm going to go think on it and make a good decision on it because I don't want to later regret it. Like, that's where I stand to do my dishes. And I just don't want to throw off such a good project by just making a rushed decision. So I'm going to go think on that. But for right now, I'm going to take a shower and I'm going to show you guys my egg chair. If I didn't tell you guys about an egg chair. It was the last one. I hunted and hunted and hunted and hunted and finally found my egg chair. Instead of Target had the one that I wanted from Target is like $500 and they're nowhere to be found. So Walmart had one for $300 and when I got there, they said they had 2 in stock online. So when I got there, they didn't have 2 in stock. They had none. They had one with no hardware. So I was like, nah, I contemplated. And it had the seating stuff was kind of like soiled. So the guy was like, we can send it back to Walmart and they will give us back our $300 credit, or we can take 25% off and you can just take it. So I took the egg chair. This big egg chair is sitting in my room. I have to put it together. I have to go find hardware for it. But that's not a problem because you girl, I know how to solve problems, okay? That's one thing I'm good at, is solving problems. But I'm gonna go hop in the shower, get this mess off of me, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, so this is the egg chair. And I just threw it together. There's no hardware like the screw, but it holds together pretty good because, you know, whatever. But it's really big. I wanted it for this space right here in my room. I'm gonna put like a little table right here to the side. And there's gonna be a barn door right here. I'm tired of telling you guys my plan. I'm just gonna show it. But this is the egg chair that I hunted so long and hard for. It's huge. It's gigantic. But I think I'm gonna keep it in here. Okay, guys, so this is where the egg chair reside. I did find hardware in Rob's thing that he had. These screws and some other screws at the bottom that I finessed and threw it together. It's really comfortable. This is my favorite place to hang out. I put my lamp right there. Of course, I'm gonna change this space right here, but I think this is where this is gonna live. I love this thing. It's so comfortable. Just somewhere to sit instead of, you know, when my bed is made, I don't feel like I have to sit on my made bed. I can sit in here, sit here and read, relax, scroll Instagram, YouTube, It is so comfortable, guys, and I love it. Happy Thursday, guys. So today is Thursday. It's my last day to function as a mother because Rob takes over. Um, Rob is Rob is in charge on the weekend, so I'm getting the girls' hair done. I'm taking Destiny's braids down because she's had braiding for a few weeks now. And then I have to wash Maddie's hair, and I have to clean the house and turn it over to Mr. Rob. So I have a lot to do, and it's kind of hard to pick up the camera and vlog and do all of that, but I'm trying to be more consistent. I'm trying to be a better vlogger because my channel could have gone far had I stayed consistent, and that's my problem. I'm very inconsistent. I just do what I want to do. I don't follow YouTube algorithm. I really don't. So so that's what I'm doing on a Thursday. I wanted to get a project done, but that's not gonna happen. I figured I could start fresh on Monday and, get back to the house project and get the house completely done and lived in. Like, we still have rooms that aren't painted. We still have my master bedroom that's haven't been touched, Maddie and Destiny's room, and then the hallway, and then the laundry room. I think I'll be good, long as those spaces get done. But right now, I'm gonna go tend to little mama right there and probably try to get this house cleaned up before Rob gets home. I'm pushing it because it's like 1:30 something now, and he should be home around 3 o'clock. So
you better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rocking if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my choo-choo-la. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this.
deep cleaning my house today because I had 2 parties back to back in a row, and yeah, I have to clean. Ooh, they're doing the second coat on the road in our neighborhood. Our neighborhood is like practically finished being built. So I just cleared off my island. There's nothing on my island, and I'm contemplating of not putting anything back on my island because it's just too much. So the tier tray that I had on there, put that sucker over there in the dining room, and I put the little scale thing, I put it there. I'm just going to change things up a little bit, not too much. I get bored with my stuff. I still have to take the happy birthday thing down. I want to paint so bad, but I think probably next week I'm gonna do our bedroom because it's been 2 years, haven't done anything to our bedroom. But I'm excited for that because I have big plans for my bedroom, like big plans. So I steamed my floor. What else did I do? I felt like I've been steaming my floor for like 2 hours. I'm that anal. Like, I vacuum, I steamed it, I washed Juju's little mat for his food. I got all the baseboard. I'm very anal, very anal when it's time for me to clean. So my house smells amazing. I'm burning a candle right now. So I'm gonna go finish what I'm doing. I have to clean my backsplash. I love it. I gotta clean that off today. Kitchen is already clean. I just gotta do my floors in my kitchen. Can you believe 2 hours cleaning floors and the kitchen floor is not a part of that floor? So I haven't figured out dinner. I cleaned my refrigerator because, let me tell y'all, having people over, it's a pain in the butt. Somebody spilled juice all down my refrigerator in the crack, all the way down into the freezer section, and it was just sticky. Ants were like coming, and I'm just like, where the heck is this sweet stuff? Because ants, they like sweet stuff. So I had to clean that bad boy. Samsung denied my first refund claim, sent me a new ticket saying I have to cut the power cord. You don't even know who you playing with. First of all, you sent me a refrigerator that don't work. Second of all, you sold me a refrigerator that you no longer make parts to. Third of all, you said you couldn't send me a replacement. And fourth of all, you're going to give me my money back. Don't play with me. So, contacted them and they said, oh no, you don't have to cut the power cord, blah, blah, blah. And also contacting Home Depot because I went through them and they sent me this. I love the refrigerator. It just doesn't, the light in the drawer doesn't work. So I'm just like, why should I be stuck with a product that just don't work? I paid for something to work. It should work. Let me stop rambling because I gotta go finish up what I'm doing. Okay, folks, so went to Walmart to pick up dinner. Mr. Rob is home. And then I got Maddie a washer and dryer from my life. Something. She gonna tell daddy. We went to Walmart to get American Girl. Don't ever say that. Let me stop violating my family and get them off camera. So I'm cooking brown stew chicken or fricassee chicken or whatever kind of chicken you're, you know, us Jamaican, we call it fricassee chicken. So I'm gonna do that. Rob, I was gonna make dumplings with it, but Rob was like, I want no dumpling. So I brought some coleslaw thing. I'm making a salad and a sweet potato and call it a day, okay? So let's make this chicken. Okay, guys, so I think I got all the footage out of my phone because if you don't know, my camera is broken, been broken for about a year now, and I'm not really in the mood to. It's not broken. I just need to get a battery because Maddie threw my battery in water. So, and I'm not in the mood to edit on no computer right now. I like editing on my phone, you know. I like crappy quality footage. Apparently, maybe once my channel start growing again and people start watching my content consistently again, I will invest in my camera and my laptop. But until then, my phone works just fine. The quality's good enough, and you guys don't mind, and I don't mind. But I got everything out of my phone to start fresh on Monday with consistently vlogging, editing, and uploading. So stay tuned for that. There's gonna be amazing content coming your way. I'm going on a weight loss journey, that's for one. And two, I'm gonna transform my bedroom. So if you want to see any of that, stay tuned for that. So that's gonna be the question of the day. So let me go so I can go do my question of the day, and I will see you guys on Monday. Bye, guys.